Hello, step-parent. This is not a stepfathers only video, so hello, step-parents. Just the other day, I saw a question being asked on how do you stop a child's unwanted behavior. Specifically, it was about whining and crying all the time they were asking something. The short answer is you can't. You cannot directly make anyone do anything that they don't want to do. That goes for children, that goes for adults, that goes for adolescents. That's just the way people function. What you can do is modify the only thing you can modify, and that is the way you act, the way you react. And by doing that, provoke the reaction that you are looking for. So the simple answer would be when somebody doesn't want, when a kid asks things crying or whining, don't answer and don't give in until they ask properly. And that is the basic concept. There are subtler ways to do this, and that is to announce what you will do and let the kid know what you are doing and what behavior you expect in return. Let's not jump to conclusions, especially when kids are 4, 5, 6, 7. Expect them to draw the conclusion between our change in action and what we expect from them. You could say mom or dad is not going to listen to you or can't hear you, cannot understand your requests when you are crying and whining, so mom or dad will not be able to do what you ask. If you want mom or dad to do something for you, to help you with something, you're going to have to ask in a way where I can understand you. So if you cry, if you whine, if you're not fully understandable, mom and dad will not be able to help you. So just know that this is what is going to happen. If you whine and cry and ask for something, mom and dad will not do it. They don't understand you. But then, obviously, you have to hang on to your principles and not understand and not give in and not do what the kid asks. You tell them until you ask properly, until you speak in a way that I can understand, I will not be able to help you. So please ask properly. Don't tell them stop whining, because if they're looking for attention or if they're looking for whatever other reason they're whining for, they won't stop whining because you asked them to. Don't listen to them if it's not an explicit request, if it's not an emergency, if it's not a non-postponable, I have to go to the bathroom, they have to go to the bathroom. That's a non-postponable. But anything else, can you turn the TV on for me? Can I do this? Can I do that? Asked in a whining voice or while crying. If you want to stop their behavior, you're going to have to stop reacting to that behavior and only react to the behavior that you're looking to enforce. It's positive reinforcement. I don't believe very much in negative punishing reinforcements, meaning I punish you when you whine, because that creates a negative feedback loop that is non-productive, as much as positive reinforcement is productive. You ask the way that I want you to ask, I will act on it. You ask the way you want to ask, and I don't want to enforce that. I will not enforce your behavior. I will not respond to that behavior. And that could also give you a little bit more of a breather in terms of always feeling like you're giving in to a unwanted whine and crying. I hope that makes sense. If you would like any other topic discussed, please leave a comment or reach me at Step Parenting Made Easy. It's on most social platforms. Meanwhile, Godspeed, and stepfathers and step parents, take care. Cheers.